Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imani and you are watching Faith by Design. Today we will be doing my June 2022 goals and yeah, just chit-chatting a little bit. The kids are asleep. The house is asleep as a whole, so I wanted to come on here before it gets kind of noisy during the day. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I wanted to say to go ahead and check out the new BCL ladies for the week. This is for week 3. The videos, the channels are Budgeting Just Because, Budget Stuff, Save, Repeat, Funding McGeeta Jones, and Red to Black Budgeting. And I will put their information below if they have Etsy shops or YouTube channels. But yeah, go ahead and support them. I am excited to continue looking at their videos and watching them and just learning more about all of these wonderful ladies. I've enjoyed what I've seen so far. A lot of them are entertaining, creative, and using their skills to create new savings challenges and things like that. So if you are interested, just check the links down below. And let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so for the goals for May is actually what I want to talk about first. Okay, so for the month of May, just wanted to briefly go over if I achieved the goals or not. So number 1, it was to pay off my credit card by 75%. So I did put a check mark there because I did reach that. The balance now is about $3.99 after paying throughout the month of May. So number 2 is save $500 to baby emergency fund. I put a half complete. I did not specifically save $500 to the baby emergency fund. I think it was around $380 or so. But as a whole, for the sinking funds and savings challenges that I contributed, I believe it was around $500. I think also I want to better track my sinking funds and savings challenges, just because, you know, I see how important it is to track your progress over time. So I think I want also to include that as a goal of mine for June. Number 3, start a new workout series. I did start a new workout series. I did not finish the workout series, so I will be finishing that up in June as well. Number 4, create a meal plan and eat more healthy. I didn't really accomplish that goal because, yeah, I started off with creating, I think, a week, and then it just went downhill from there. As far as eating more healthy, I want to say not really, so I got to do better with that. Number 5, do some reorganization and home projects. Yes, I did accomplish that. I decluttered the kids' clothes, or at least my youngest daughter's clothes, and got all of the winter clothes and things like that out and sent things to Goodwill if she couldn't fit them. And then paper declutter. Yes, I did go through my mail, which is always a lot of things that we have to reorganize as they come in the house. So I found a way to categorize my mail, and I also bought a mail organization filing system. So yeah, I'm just continuing to utilize that. So that was for May. For June, I decided to just write it down on this paper, and then that way I can transfer it over to my planner later. And I also have some personal goals, so I will leave those aside and we'll focus on these financial ones. So for the first one, it's to pay off Capital One in full for the month of June. Hopefully I can achieve that goal. We do have a lot of things in June that will require some additional funds. We have birthday parties. We have Father's Day, and I did not actually plan for that, but I know we are going out to eat and, you know, just different things that you would buy for that occasion. And I know there are some other family birthdays that we have throughout the month, so I don't know if we'll have, you know, other eating out expenses as well for that. Number 2, contribute $250 to the baby emergency fund. So my goal is to have around $3,500 to complete the baby emergency fund, and so I wanted to contribute $250 this month. So hopefully that can happen. Number 3, create or start 2 to 3 new sinking funds. I have a few that I purchased trackers for, and so I wanted to start the folders this month and start saving for those goals. And hopefully in the future I can keep better track of a list of shops that I want to shop from. I see a lot of creative people on YouTube in general and in Etsy, and so I want to just be able to support them as much as I can. And I would like to start new savings challenges and sinking funds. And yeah, I know I can't purchase everything at once, but I would like to. So I plan to just get more organized with seeing which ones that I would like to get in the future, so that way I can recall them at a later date when I want to start up the new ones. Number 4, get kids, teens involved in finances. So this is specifically for savings challenges. For my older kids or teens, it would probably be best to do like a budget with me or a budget with them. So we'll see how that goes. They both are working this summer, and so I would like to be more hands-on with them and getting them to just think about how they would go about budgeting if they were, having more expenses than they do. They don't really have any expenses at this point. So rather than have them blow all their money, I would like for them to actually start thinking about ways to save and what they're saving things for. And so just being more intentional with their finances. So that will be something that I hopefully can start in June. Number 5, buy one full share. I don't really talk about investing per se on my channel. I usually just do my normal 25 transfer to M1 Finance every pay period. But I have purchased a full share currently, and I'm working on contributing more so that way I can up my position. And so I would like to do that, whether it be the current position that I have with the companies currently or buying a new full share. As you all may know, Amazon just split their stocks, so those are way more affordable. And so I may purchase one full share outright or start saving for the ones that I currently have. So we will see. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to bring you all my goals for June. Hopefully you all have been thinking about yours. I know that we are in the 7th or 8th day of June, so yeah, I'm sure many of you have already been thinking about that. If you have any goals that you would like to share, please leave them down below. I would love to hear what you all are planning to do for the month of June and how you're going about achieving those goals. So let's go ahead and accomplish them. Thank you all so much for the new viewers, subscribers, and I really appreciate everyone who has been dropping by and showing me some love recently. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I enjoy being a part of this community. Don't forget to check out the 4 BCL ladies for this week in June. They are, again, Budgeting Just Because, Budget Stuff, Save, Repeat, Funding, MCGEEDA Jones, and Red to Black Budgeting. So I will link their YouTube channels as well as their Etsy shops below, so that way you can get some savings trackers and sinking fund thingies so you can start tracking your progress. So I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Be safe, be blessed, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.